Roar! Roar! At Notions, we've got a couple of new kids crafts that are more building than crafts, and one of them's from a very familiar vendor. This is from Velcro. These are new Velcro toys. Now I'm going to take off his little tail. So you see that it's assembled with Velcro dots. The foam on it is a very sturdy foam, and then there are some plastic pieces that are added to it. Now you can make your dinosaur look any way that you like him to look. There are 3 different dinosaur block builders to choose from, or the robots. So here's the robot dog. And again, everything is changeable. So I'm going to change up his eyes a little bit there. You can combine your units. So here I'm going to take and add some dinosaur eyes to the robot dog, because every robot dog needs more eyes. Then along with that, again, still from Velcro in this new building phase that they have, there is the blocks. So these are going to be geometric blocks, all of these different shapes, all of them with the Velcro tips. Really, really fun for kids and educational. These are ages 3+ with the STEM qualifying on it. The other thing we have is from the UK. This is a vendor who created this because his kids wanted more things to play with, and he didn't want to have them have to use an iron to adhere their creations all together. This is called Simbrix. Comes in 4 different sizes: the cutie size, the geek kit, the crafter kit, and the maker kit. And the only difference between these 4 kits is how many boxes of blocks you get. I love the carry tote that it comes with. It's kind of a very secure, everything stays in one container. This particular one, the cute kit, comes with 1,000 of these little blocks, and all of the kits come with these inspirational cards so that you can make so many different designs. Well, we had a lot of fun making some of these designs. These are designs that are from the little cards, but I went online. I found these online. Here's our Star Wars inspiration and the holiday inspirations. So there's a lot more designs to find, and you know kids will come up with their own designs. We sent some of the Simbrix home with one of our co-workers, and their kids really enjoyed playing with them and creating some of these designs. I wanted to show you real quickly how this works. If we look at these, they're interlocking blocks, and they just land one into the other. They're very strong too. So I'm going to drop this little foxy, and he's not going to bust apart. So no iron needed. They're all just assembled, but then you can disassemble them to create more fun things. So look for the Velcro blocks, the dinosaurs and the robots, and then these construction kits. And from Simbrix, these 4 new items. These are going to be very hot for the holiday season. Arrgh!